What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today we've got a shop update because it's the end of July, and before you know it, we'll move into August, and even before that, before we blink again, the school year will be starting and we'll be back into the swing of things. So let's get this shop update started. First, as always, I want to start with my current projects. Again, as always, I'm still turning pens, trying to sell pens, sell turned items. I've started turning a few bowls. You might have seen the last video or two where I turned that bowl. That was a lot of fun, so I'm going to continue to do that. Hopefully turn some bigger bowls real soon here. We'll see how that goes. I also got some new kits to try pen wise, so I'll see how that goes. That'll be a lot of fun, so I can't wait to try those. The next exciting thing that I have for you guys, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I got a new lathe. I got the Rikon, I can't remember the exact name of it or the model, but it's the variable speed with reverse. And let me tell you, I've only been turning on it for a little bit, but that lathe is smooth, it's quiet, it's nice, it's amazing. I love it. It was, you know, in my opinion, it was worth every penny. So I have that, so look for a video coming out about that new lathe and me turning a few things on it. I've revamped my website. So my website, before you could just order, you know, you pick your wood, pick your kit and order the pen and be done with it. That wasn't really gaining any traction, you know, fair enough. So what we're gonna do, what I did with the help of my wife was we photographed some individual pens, some individual pen blanks as well. We put those on the website so you can see exactly what you're getting now, so you can order the pen or the pen blank that you're looking at, and that's what you get. So if you're interested in that, head on over to cross-cut-creations.com and take a look over there in the shop. I also have build articles on the YouTube videos that I have. My YouTube videos are there. Like I said, the shop's there, along with the pens and the pen blanks. There's a few other things. And in addition to that, let me back up a little bit. You see this Crosscut Creations t-shirt. This is just one of many styles and colors that you can get. You can get this in a variety of colors. You can get it in a variety of sizes. You can get the whole entire chest logo, or you can get a small, I think they call it a pocket logo. Those are both options. So choose your color, choose how big you want the logo. There are also men's and women's cuts of t-shirts. So if you're looking for either of those are available. That's a great way to help keep the lights on in the shop and support me a little bit. If you want to get multiple t-shirts from your favorite makers, you can head over to makersmedianetwork.com and you can get multiple t-shirts there. It'll save on shipping if that's what you're interested in doing. So those are options for t-shirts to support your favorite makers. And then you can start using the hashtag Maker Shirt Monday that was started by Zach Herberholz on his Instagram. The next thing I want to talk about is channel direction. After I did this last pen series, I'm starting to realize I'm becoming more and more of a turner than anything else. So I'm considering turning this channel, no pun intended, into a primarily turning channel, bowls, pens, other turned objects, make that the primary focus, and then do some other projects on the side. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. I'm kind of swaying, you know, I'm not really sure. I'm also not sure if I'm gonna cut back on the videos a little bit. I was hoping to do weekly videos until I got to 1,000 subscribers, but right now as it sits, I believe I'm only at like 460 or something like that. It's pretty slow going, so I'm not really sure, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Yeah, so with that being said, even though I'm only at 460 some subscribers on YouTube, I am a little more than 100 followers away on Instagram from 1,000, which is super exciting. So here's what I want to do. I want to do a giveaway on Instagram when I get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm going to give away a custom pen that I make. And if you are watching this and you are an individual or somebody who represents a company who wants to throw in a prize of some sort for my 1,000 follower giveaway on Instagram, send me a message on Instagram and we will figure out the details and we'll figure all that out. I'm more than happy to, work out the details and we'll figure it out. So if you're interested in sponsoring a prize, send me a message. We'll get it figured out. Next, I have a whole bunch of stickers this round. So first up, we have Sloan's Woodworking. We have Turner's Warehouse. The Scratched Podcast. I'm getting into a lot of podcasts. I love my podcasts. Doc Jared Hildebrandt. Flying9.com. Sawdust Creations. We have Gary the Bearded Woodworker. I'm a little jealous. His beard's better than mine. Don't tell him I said that though. Just kidding. Keep up the great work, Gary. And then we also have Appaloosa Artisans. So that rounds out the stickers for this month's shop update. If you want to do a sticker swap, get a hold of me. We'll exchange information and we'll get that sticker swap started. If you don't have stickers, my stickers are available for purchase on my website, along with the t-shirts that I mentioned earlier and all of that. So if you're interested in those are available, along with some other merchandise. So the main merchandise, again, on the website, cross-cut-creations.com. You have t-shirts, multiple colors, multiple cuts, multiple sizes. You have t-shirts, like I said, you have the stickers, and you have coffee mugs. Those are the main logo products that I have right now. And to round out this shop update, I want to give my shout out this time to Pam Harris over at Highland Boxes. She's based in the UK and she just passed 5,000 subscribers. So congratulations, Pam. If you for some reason haven't heard of her, go over and check out her channel. She does a lot of great resin casting and some turning projects and things like that. That's the kind of direction I think I want my channel to go into, because I'm looking at, the turning, the resin casting, things like that, kind of like I already mentioned. But Pam has a great channel. Go check her out, and make sure you subscribe to her, because she's growing her Instagram. She's growing her YouTube channel quite quickly, and she's doing great work over there. Thanks for hanging out on this shop update. If you like the video, make sure you comment below, make sure you hit the thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to the channel, do all that fun stuff, share the video, and yeah, go over to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram if you want to help me get to 1,000. My Instagram, just @CrossCutCreations, and we'll see you next time.